Hello everyone, welcome to our channels. Here we're going to cut this pink foam net and we're going to make the flower petal shapes. As you can see, we're going to make many of them. Now cut this water bottle and then we're going to paste all of them together. Close the lid. You can also put the fairy light inside. Your beautiful lotus hanging is ready. As you can see, we're going to cut 6 cm craft paper, fold it and make more colorful papers. Then we're going to make 2 circles, paste both of them and paste all of them together like we're doing here. Make the head and tail of the dragon and then we're going to paste the circles at the center. It is ready. Here we're going to blow the balloon and then we're going to paste the thread inside it. Look how we're doing here. You can use glue and wrap the thread like we're doing here. Then pop the balloon out and paste colorful flowers inside. We're going to put the fairy light. Your hanging is ready. Here we're going to cut this plastic bottle and then we're going to paste the thread. Now we're going to make multiple cut on the craft paper. As you can see, we're going to paste all these paper around the bottle. You can cut it like this. Now we're going to make the flower petals. Look how we're doing here in this video. Keep pasting one after another. Make layers of the paper and then we're going to pull the paper down. Your beautiful flower is ready. You can put the fairy light inside and look how pretty this hanging is looking. As you can see, we're going to cut these many colorful papers and then we're going to punch them together. After this, we're going to put the frills on each side. Let's make the design. As you can see, we're going to fold each paper, pull it down like we're doing here in this video. And you can see we're going to tuck. Now we're going to tuck all of them together one after another and make a circle. Your lantern is ready. You can also paste flowers on the side. Look how pretty this is looking. So we're going to make the frame shape using bamboo sticks. Now paste the tape on the top of it. With the help of the clay, we're going to make colorful flowers. Simply paste it like we're doing here. Look how pretty this is looking. Let's make it using old plastic container and craft paper. Cover the plastic container using cotton and make the shape of cloud. You can cut these different shapes and paste all of them together. Make rings and then we're going to make the rainbow colored droplets. You can also put the fairy light inside. It is looking beautiful. We're going to recycle the orange quill, cut the star shapes and paste all of them around the plastic jar. As you can see, we're going to put the frill and then put fairy light inside, close the lid and look, it is ready. Here we're going to collect these bottle caps and put all of them together with the help of this thread. Tie a knot, make a ring. Now we're going to close it from the top as well, close it from the bottom, put the frill. Your beautiful lantern is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.